We've all seen the millions of advertisements of the Woobles for new crocheters, but how many crocheters are willing to throw down almost $30 for a little bitty kit? Well, I decided to do a comparison of the Woobles to two other kits that are lesser known. And I'm going to tell you the pros and cons and give you my personal verdict, my personal opinion of what I think is the best option. So stay tuned. Well, here is the first kit that I tried out. This is the little owl. Here is my cute finished product. I just love him. He is so adorable. Look at those sleepy eyes. Aren't they precious? Well, okay, I'm going to tell you the pros and cons to the Crochet Box that I got off of Amazon. It was a little over $12. And like I showed in a previous video of what comes in the box, I'm not going to repeat that, but I'll put a link up so that you can see what actually comes in the box. But what I found was that the instructions were very clear, but I couldn't always understand the person talking because she was, I think her first language is not English, and it was difficult for me to understand her some of the time. So that was a con. I'll tell you the cons first. Got my notes here so I don't forget anything. Let's see the cons. Not there. Oh, I ran out of the main yarn, and I am not a loose crocheter. I crochet fairly tightly, and so I was kind of surprised that I ran out of the main yarn, and that was a definite negative. So the little tail is supposed to be in this green, sage green, but I ended up making it in white because I had plenty of white left over after the eyes, but not any of the sage green. So that was a negative. And let's see, the other thing that could be a negative, but also a positive, there were very good instructions on adding the ears because I'm actually fairly new to amigurumi, and adding the different body parts is not necessarily my forte, but she gave very good instructions on how to add them. But the negative is that when she added the other parts, like the nose, I needed a little extra help. She sped up the video so you couldn't, it was hard to see how to add other parts like the wings and the nose, and that wasn't very helpful for me, and especially if I was a new crocheter, that would have been tricky. That would have been a negative. But here are the positives. The tapestry needle, at first I thought, well, this tapestry needle is way too thick. Let's see, let me find it in here. It was really thick, and okay, never mind, I don't have it. It's in the other room. But it was very thick, and I thought this is not going to work out very well. So I ran and got another thinner tapestry needle that didn't have as blunt of an end, and that was far worse. It would not go through the yarn because the yarn was a tiny bit thicker than the Woobles yarn and a little thicker than the yarn in the other kit. And so I went back to the big fat tapestry needle that came with the kit and found I couldn't believe it was a lot easier to work with. I was actually surprised. Then there was a plastic tapestry needle that came with the kit, and I wondered, I guess they gave you an option of which one you wanted to use. But the way she used the tapestry, the plastic one, was she would put it in the center of your ear, or, well, the ear is what I saw, and hold it in place so you could get started sewing the ear onto the body. And that was really helpful. I liked that. That was a real plus. Okay, another plus was that the white eyes had very clear instructions in closing the circle with an invisible ring. I mean, not invisible ring, invisible stitch. And that is helpful because, first of all, I don't remember the Woobles instructions saying that, and I didn't really like how mine closed. I tried to hide it under the nose, but it didn't close very smoothly and cleanly as the instructions on these eyes. I think they turned out better. They closed a lot more smoothly with the invisible join, and I thought that was a real plus for this kit. And one plus is I think this little owl is so darn cute. Isn't he precious? So those are the pros and cons of the little owl. And for a little over $12 for all the things you get in this kit to make this cute owl and to learn how to crochet for a beginner crocheter, I thought that was very reasonable. So I would give this a big plus. Except for the yarn that was a little harder to work with because it was a little thicker. So, all right, that's the owl and the Crochet Box kit that I got on Amazon. Then the next kit was this Zeppani. I think that's how you say it, Zeppani kit. And this one, you get instructions for three. Let me see. These three, the bunny, the penguin, and the bee. They are so cute. Goodness. Well, for a little over $17 for this box and all the things that came in it and enough yarn to make three little amigurumi animal thingies, I thought that was a pretty good price. So here are the finished little babies. Aren't they precious? There's the bunny. Look at his little, and it came with that fuzzy pink yarn. That was fun. And the little penguin, as my little 2.5-year-old granddaughter said to her little penguin. Isn't he cute? And she has very good instructions. This is one of the positives about changing colors. And then the bee was the first one I tried out. Isn't he cute? I think they are so adorable. So here are the pros and cons of the Zeppani kit. I've got them right here. Well, first I'm going to talk about the cons. The videos of the pieces don't always stay within the window of the video. So she was, you're following along the instructions and her hands get lower and lower and lower and you can't always see clearly what she's showing you and talking about. So that was a little bit of a negative. But you know what? That was the only negative that I came up with this kit. So here are the pros. The yarn was much easier to work with for some reason. It was just a tiny bit thinner than the owl yarn and maybe thinner than the Woobles. I think it was a smidge thinner. So it was easier on your hands, easier to work with. All right, then the videos were much easier to understand because she had a lot clearer English if you're an English watcher, crochet, anyway. But the neat thing is there were several other language options, Spanish, Dutch, Italian, I think, and one or two other options, which I thought was a huge plus. So by the way, they all had video instructions and they all had written instructions that you could download. Plus the off-brand kits, the ones we haven't heard of much, they had little pamphlet kits. So they all had written instructions inside your box, and which I don't think the Woobles did. All right, back to the Zeppani kit. Another plus was that the instructions had, there was plenty of yarn. Plenty of yarn. Look at everything left over. I mean, lots of yarn and stuffing. And I stuffed 3 of those little bitty amigurumis. Lots of yarn left over. Plenty of stuffing left over. And let's see, for the price, you know, I think that's pretty good. A little over $17, but you get 3 little animals and leftover material. Well, the Woobles, one huge plus is that there are so many options. I mean, they've got Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, Snoopy, the Peanuts characters, which I love, and I just might have to order another Woobles kit just to learn how to do the Snoopy. Anyway, but so many of the characters have this big white belly, I guess, and I didn't really see the point of it, because look at this guy. He's so cute, and he doesn't have that. This owl, he doesn't have the big round belly. I don't understand the purpose of this, and to me it's kind of distracting from the real character. So I guess that might be a negative, but one plus is that there are so very many kits that you can get with this. But I mean, once you learn, you don't need a million crochet hooks, do you? And I've got a lot of stitch markers now. Oh, did I tell you that I think I told you on the other video, they all gave you a head start with the magic ring. And that was very positive. That was a big help for any new crocheter. So what is my verdict? My verdict is, you can probably guess. Well, wait, one more negative. So the Woobles have a lot of kits, but the other kits, the Zeppani that is not as well known, and the Crochet Box, I didn't see a whole lot of other options. I know they each had more options, more kits, but nothing like the Woobles. And the Woobles are adding on constantly. They're adding. And, you know, just because you see a ton of advertisements and exciting videos of a fun product and cute packaging does not necessarily mean it is the best option. So my favorite, as you can probably guess, was the Zeppani kit, because you get 3 projects and the yarn was so much easier to work with, in my opinion. The instructions were great, and the option of several languages was a great idea. I'd love to know if you've done any of these kits, or if you want me to review any other kit that isn't these brands. Let me know. Well, now that you've seen this review of these fun beginner crochet kits, you might be interested in my other videos on reviewing the Woobles kit specifically, and the video playlist of my beginner crochet stitches. One more thing. Now that I've got these cute little Zeppani bee and bunny and penguin, I am putting them in this cute little plastic carrying case, and I'm letting them fly away to Fort Worth to my little granddaughter. And these other cuties are going to fly away to Memphis to my little grandson. So I'm Dana with Nellie DC Crochet, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.